Hello everybody and welcome back. We're looking at the grade 7 Gauss paper from the year 2000 and we're on question 9. So what does question 9 say? In the given diagram, all 12 of the small rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here are 12 small rectangles. All 12 of the small rectangles are the same size. Your task is to completely shade some of the rectangles until 2/3 of 3/4 of the diagram is shaded. The number of rectangles you need to shade is... Okay. So the trick with this one is figuring out how many... what they're asking us to do is figure out how many rectangles. But the way it's phrased is a fraction of a fraction. So what we really need to do is figure out just what fraction of the rectangles, period, we need to actually work out. So if we have two fractions, 2/3 of 3/4, to figure out what that number actually is, we multiply our fractions. 2/3 of 3/4, well, that's the same as 2/3 times 3/4. And when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. We get 6/12. Now we could simplify that, sure, but we don't really need to. So this is the number of, or this is the fraction of squares we need to shade. Well, how many squares do we have? Or not squares, rectangles. So we have to shade 6/12 of the 12 rectangles. And to figure that out, we multiply. We want 6/12 or 1/2 of 12 rectangles. Well, this 12 and this 12 are going to cancel each other out, and we're going to be left with 6 rectangles. Alright, now is 6 rectangles one of our answers? It should be half of the total number of squares is what we're asked for. And yeah, 6 is D. So we bubble in D, we feel confident, and we move on to the last question in part A. But we're going to have to wait until the very next video to see question number 10. So join me then.